In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best Hydrafacial machine available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the Hydrafacial machine list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the Hydrafacial machine mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, H2O2 Hydra Small Bubble 6-in-1 Hydro Microdermabrasion Machine. This multifunctional beauty device integrates 6 advanced skincare treatments into one compact unit. It offers Hydro Microdermabrasion for effective exfoliation, deep cleansing, and Aqua peeling to remove impurities and dead skin cells. Ideal for home use, it rejuvenates your skin, promotes collagen production, and enhances overall skin texture. The small bubble technology ensures gentle yet effective treatment, leaving your skin smooth, radiant, and refreshed. Number 4, Home Use Hydra Suction Blackhead Cleansing Machine. This innovative beauty tool is designed for effortless blackhead removal and skin hydration. Featuring Hydra suction technology, it effectively targets and cleanses pores, removing blackheads and minimizing their reappearance. The Aqua peeling function ensures deep cleansing while moisturizing the skin. Perfect for home spa sessions, this machine improves skin clarity, smoothness, and overall appearance, providing a professional skincare experience in the comfort of your own home. Number 3, Dermabrasion Aqua Peeling Device. This sophisticated beauty device offers a combination of Dermabrasion and Aqua peeling treatments for exceptional skincare results. It utilizes water and oxygen infusion to deeply cleanse and rejuvenate the skin, targeting fine lines and wrinkles while tightening and toning the skin. The device promotes a youthful, radiant complexion by improving skin texture, reducing signs of aging, and enhancing overall skin health through its advanced cleansing technology. Number 2, MEISIKANG Hydra Water Dermabrasion Facial Machine. The MEISIKANG 7-in-1 facial machine delivers comprehensive skincare with its multifaceted functionalities. It features RF technology for facial cleaning and skin tightening, along with Hydra Water Dermabrasion for deep exfoliation. This all-in-one machine addresses various skin concerns, including dullness, fine lines, and uneven texture. It offers a thorough facial care routine, enhancing skin clarity, firmness, and radiance, making it an essential tool for maintaining healthy, glowing skin at home. Number 1, H2O2 Hydra Small Bubble 7-in-1 Facial Machine. This premium 7-in-1 facial machine combines Hydro Microdermabrasion, Aqua peeling, and LED mask treatment for an all-encompassing skincare regimen. The advanced features include deep cleansing, exfoliation, and skin tightening, designed to rejuvenate and refresh your complexion. The LED mask enhances the effectiveness of the treatments by promoting collagen production and reducing signs of aging. With a convenient trolley, this machine offers a professional-grade skincare experience, perfect for achieving a flawless, youthful appearance.